and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys an updated version of my coupon and stockpile. Now this is just the coupon and stockpile that I keep in my apartment. I do have way more stuff than this. The rest of it is just in our storage because I feel like that is where it needs to be because we are so limited on space. We do live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so we are very limited on space. Now about 3 or 4 months ago, I did do a video showing you guys how I store my coupon and stockpile with having limited space. I showed you guys all of the different spaces within my apartment that I stored my items, and that video actually did pretty well. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I will leave an eye up here that you guys can click. Watch this video first, and then once you're done watching this video, you can go check out that video. So this is what I have. I'm going to go over everything, and then I also keep 3 containers right here that I'm going to explain to you guys as well. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so if you watched my video with how I store everything, you would have remembered that over here I had nothing but paper products. Like this side right here was completely full of paper products. It is totally different now. So on this shelf right here, I have some Tide Simply Pods. Some up there, I have 2 things of Gain laundry detergent. I have some Persil discs back there, some Purex 4-in-1 packs. That's what I have on the top shelf. And then right here, I have 1 package of Gain pods, Gain flings, I'm sorry. I have a few Tide pods back there, a couple bags of the Arm & Hammer 4-in-1 packs. I have 1 all free and clear, and then I have this 1 Lemon Shine dishwashing detergent. And then right here, I have pretty much majority Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, 1 Tide, 1 Gain. And then under here, I do have majority of Purex. And then I have 2 bottles of All. Now, with these shelves, I did get these black shelves from Walmart. If I remember correctly, I think these were priced at $9.99. That wasn't the regular price. It was actually on sale. I want to say that the regular price was around like $24, but I was able to get them for $9.99. So I did go ahead and scoop up 2. And then over here, I have another bottle of Purex. Up under here, back there, I have Persil. And then all of this is All. And then I do have 2 Scott Comfort Plus tissues right here. And this is all that I have inside of my apartment. I don't have any in my storage. I do have tissue in my storage. I just don't have the Scott Comfort Plus tissue. I went to Walgreens today to stock up on more tissue, but my store was completely cleared. So I wasn't able to stock up on anything. So I am down to 2. Now I was stocked, but you guys, my bundles sold very well in January. So that is why my stock on the Scott Comfort Plus tissue is low. But whenever I do stock up, because I do plan to go to 2 more Walgreens just to see if I can find some of this tissue. So when I get that stocked back up, this is where they will go. And then over here, I have 3 packages of Pampers Swaddlers diapers, 2 of the Huggies diapers, and then right here I have a box of Huggies wipes that I got a while ago. It was a deal on these. Now these wipes I don't really like sell. I may put about 2 or 3 in a Pampers bundle, but I don't typically sell those wipes because we use wipes a lot in our household. And so this is mainly for our household, but I'm probably going to put a few into the bundle to make it a nice bundle. And so right here I have Bounty Essentials paper towel and then Charmin Essentials toilet paper. Now I'm going to use both of these to make a bundle. And then this is normally where I would keep my Scott paper towels, but as you guys can see, I don't even have any Scott paper towels because those have been sold as well. And I do have some prepped up right now in my bundles. So once I get stocked up, this is where my Scott paper towels will go. And then over here on this shelf, this beautiful shelf right here, you guys, up here, we have some Purex crystals, some Unstoppables, some Arm & Hammer in-wash scent boosters. I have about 12 of these, you guys, and I got those for completely free from Walmart using my points, swag bucks, and inbox dollars. I was able to get them all for free. And then back there, I don't know if you guys can see, I do have some Snuggle Exhilarations fabric conditioner. Now this shelf was stocked with about 6 of those, but I was adding those into my bundles and they have been selling very well. So I'm down to 2, and I just decided to go ahead and stock this shelf with in-wash scent boosters and my Purex crystals. And then right here on this row, I have nothing but Downy fabric softener. I have the 51 ounce, a few bottles of those, and then I also have the 34 ounce, a few bottles of those. And then on this row, I do have 2 bottles of the Fabuloso. And then I have a package, no, I'm sorry, I have 2 Febreze light sprays right there. And then I do have some, I don't know if you guys can see, but I do have about 4 more bottles of the Downy fabric softener. And then the rest of the fabric softeners are Gain. And then right here, I have a few Febreze Air, and then the rest of them are the Febreze Fabric. I use all of these in my bundles, you guys. And then on this row right here, I have nothing but Febreze Air sprays. Like literally this whole entire row is completely filled. I don't know, I didn't count, but I have over maybe 30 bottles of those right now. Now, I mainly sell these in my bundles. I do sell the Febreze Air, but I usually sell these ones first. And so that's why I have more of the Febreze Air than I do these. But these are most definitely next. So these sell very well in my bundles as well. So I know that these are going to sell. And then on the last row, this right here is completely filled with nothing but fabric softeners. So that's all that I have on this shelf. And then when we move over here on this bottom shelf, now with this white shelf, this is absolutely my favorite shelf, you guys. And I got this shelf from Walmart as well. Now this one was, I want to say about, it was either $24.97 or either $29.97. I have to check. I don't remember the price, but this is an absolute really great shelf. Like super easy to put up. I absolutely love it, and it fits so perfect in my small closet, you guys, and I was able to put quite a few things on it. So I'm in love with this shelf. And so down here we do have 2 bottles of the Great Value bleach. Now I was able to get this bleach for $1 at Walmart. One day I went there and I noticed that they had it on clearance for $1, and so I did go ahead and just grab 4 of them. I've already used 2, and then now I'm down to these last 2 right here. And then I have 3 of these Snuggle Plus. This is the 78.3 ounce fabric conditioner. Back there, I do have some extra laundry detergent. I have about, 5 of those. And then I have this huge container of all laundry detergent. I have this Snuggle detergent right here. No, I'm sorry, fabric softener. And then I do have a Glade carpet refreshener back there. And then on the next row, I have 4 of the Tide Pods. This is the 42 count. I have 4 of those. This huge bottle of Downy fabric softener, the 103 ounce. 2 more fabric conditioners, Snuggle. Another thing of Snuggle fabric softener, and then I have 4 bottles of the huge container of Tides, and those are the 92 ounces. And then right here, I do have about 6 bottles of the Lime Away that I got for free from Dollar Tree. Some more fabric softener. I got some not Fabuloso, but Swallowtail fabric softeners back here. I have a thing of Lysol multi-surface cleaner, and then everything else back there are fabric softeners. And then on this shelf right here, you guys, this is mainly my dish soap shelf. But as you guys can see, this is literally all of the dish soap that I have. This is not good, you guys. Like, I sell these in my bundles. And like I said, my bundles have been going extremely quick. So I am low on dish soap. Now, I do plan to go back to Walgreens and pick up about 3 more of these Ajax dish soaps, because I do have 3 more accounts that have the 50-cent digital coupon. I've already went and grabbed 1. I'm going to grab 3 more. They are priced at Walgreens this week for $1.99. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, making them $1.49. So I'm going to go grab some more of those. And then I'm also hoping that Ibotta gets another rebate for Ajax, because that is why I have this many right now. I had more, but like I said, I've been selling them in my stockpile. But when Ibotta recently had rebates, I was able to get them for less than $1. So I'm hoping that their rebate comes back around soon. And then I have a few Dawn dish soaps, and I think it's some Gain in there. 2 Palmolive, well, actually 3 Palmolives. And then this is just a random Nivea lotion right here. Then I have the Mr. Clean Freak. I have this random bottle of soft soap that I got for 99 cents at Rite Aid a while back. And then I do have this huge container of Palmolive dish soap, and this is the 90 ounce. Now this right here is basically my emergency dish soap. So if by chance I run out of this and I'm unable to get stocked back up on that, this will be my go-to, and this will be for my household only. I will not be selling this at all. So this is considered my emergency dish soap right here. And then I also have 4 bottles of hand sanitizer. I got these from Walmart. They were only 50 cents. So I did grab 6. I have 4 in here, 1 in my car, and then 1 in our apartment. And so that is, oh no, that's not the last one. So up here is the last part of this shelf. So I do have this Swiffer Sweeper wet thingy. And then I have all of my dryer sheets. I have some Gain, Snuggle, Suavitel, and Bounce. And then I have a few more Purex crystals and in wash scent boosters. And then I think at the very back, I have some Downy Unstoppables. So that is everything that I have in my closet. And so now, as I mentioned to you guys earlier at the beginning of the video, that I do keep 3 containers in here, only temporary. So I'm just going to show you guys what I keep in those containers and why they are in here. Okay guys, and so with this container right here, I pretty much have, as you guys can see, I have toothpaste, I have mouthwash down there, I have toothbrush, and then I do have some random items in here that I need to get out. But basically this container is for my toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwash, and then also my Renewzit air fresheners. I'm completely out of Renewzit air fresheners. I need to go back to my storage and stock up. So basically this is the bin for whenever I'm getting low on toothpaste, mouthwash, or Renewzits. I can just go to my storage, stock up, and then come back and fill this bin back up. Like I said, I do have some random stuff in here like Carmex and stuff. I need to actually take this out, take that out of this container and put it into my other container where I store my random stuff. So that is all that's in this container right here. And so let me go ahead and show you guys my second container. Okay guys, so this is my second container right here. I don't need to take the lid off because obviously it's see-through. So in this container right here, I basically have all of my feminine products. And the reason why this container is still in this closet is because it is not full. So if you look at it from this angle, you can tell that it's not full. Once this container is completely full, then I will pack this up and take it to my storage. And so that's why I still have this in my closet. And so this is the second container. Now let's go ahead and move on over to my last container. And so this is my very last container that I keep in here. As you guys can see, I have some Febreze small spaces. I have some John Frieda, some Scotch-Brite, Listerine floss, razors. Literally, this is my random container right here. So I have a bunch of random stuff in here. I even have some toothbrushes in here that I need to switch into my other container. But this is basically, I have some Dove soap in there. This is basically where I store my random items. So whenever I do couponing trips, and it's not like any household products or anything, and if it's something small, I'll just go ahead and toss it into this container. And then once this container is completely full, then I will go ahead and take this container to my storage as well. And so, yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to do an updated video and just show you guys what my space is looking like right now. Again, this is not my entire stockpile. The majority of my stockpile is in the storage, but I wanted to have a space in my apartment to where it's just dedicated to nothing but my stockpile. So I only want to be able to just go into one place and just grab what I need. Whenever I'm making my bundles, I just want to go into one place and grab everything instead of going to different places throughout the apartment, you know. So everything, I've condensed everything up in here. And whenever I get low, I will just go to my storage and boom, just rinse and repeat. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know how your stockpile space is looking. Let me know if you guys live in a house or if you live in an apartment, how you guys store your stockpile. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Please do me a favor. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And then also share this video for me. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.